1 plus 1 equals 2, 3 plus 3 equals 6, 5 plus 5 equals 10, then x plus 6 equal what? So from this pattern, can you find the value of x and question mark? So comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look. 1 plus 1 is 2, that's correct. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. Then x plus 6 is what? So first we have to find the value of x and then we have to add it to 6. Now if we see the first digit 1, 3, 5, 1, comma 3, comma 5. So we can see that they are odd number. So after 5, what is the next odd number? That is 7. So what is the value of x? 7. So it becomes 7 plus 6, that is 13. So what replaces the question mark? 13. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you.